Never blame Shoni for something you did. The most stubborn between the two of you.
What is one thing you wish I will buy you?
Ukohlonikas. But I hope I see prank. See me.
Yo, what's good with you? It's your boy Justin, and welcome to Justin TV. So guys, today we are back with another. Today guys, so that's a prank. Go show me. As you see guys, my latest video no show now. My first video no show now. So guys, and really guys, don't forget to subscribe. So like into this video guys, so that sends a coughing blood. So that sends a food coloring red, so you can make it realistic. And like I don't know, little way guys. So guys, if it's your first time here, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you get next time there's a drop. Please like this video guys. Let's get this video to 100 likes guys. 100 likes guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Road to 600 subs guys. So guys, let's get this video to 600 likes without further ado. Let's get into it. So like in today's video guys, like you all got questions for us. Let's put my question in so like I confuse it guys. So I say spam seats and I'm like I will say like so I say Q&A. You all got questions for us, so let's just spend my question with like guys. Let's see her reaction. That's why some land I get Ramla Tarvai. So like guys, now I'm shooting now. Intro, intro. Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Justin, and welcome to
Justin TV.
Energy, welcome to
Justin TV.
Yes, so guys, I'm sorry guys. So I spend my question you know. Kenny, right? So like me no young boozer, this name young boozer, ne? When ngibuza kuqala bese ngiyaphendula bese nami ngiyabuzana so hayi usho ngibuze wonke ne. So guys, without further ado, let's get into it. Oh hluphi ufuna me likes for le video. Yeah.
More than 200.
More than 200. Yeah guys, so we can do it guys. So like yeah guys, so like first question.
What was your first impression when I was born?
First impression. Nah, Chuko like nami sasemncane muzalo Chu. When I like abo yeah sasemncane dude like I'm sure abo like let me ask you now relax girl. So like what is your favorite thing about your big brother?
Like he is cool and humble. Like akusumuntu orasayo.
Yeah, so cool and humble.
What is your favorite memory with Hlon?
In that time like sasemncane like ngithatha ama sweet like ngizane strategy yabo. Usola uzokwazi ukungipha ama sweet yabo. Sasemncane What is the most annoying thing I do?
Yo, you know what's like ucele like uzigawulisa.
Ngiyahawula mina. Yo.
And uyathanda ukuveyisana and angazi why uveyisana. Uyibhuli.
Veyisana how? So.
Umuntu azithulele uyamvisa.
Angitsho yini ma?
Mara uyaveyisana.
Uqala ngiyahawula. Hayi angiphaphele. Hayi ngiphaphela sembuzo. Hayi umntwana wangiphaphela. Yahawulisa.
What is the most annoying thing I do?
Akalaleli uhlulu. You. Ayihlula akalaleli. Uhlulu like uhlulu washo izitsha. Yeah, ngiyeza. Mube awuthi uhlongasha izitsha. Hayi wena ngiyeka ayo. And like une-attitude. Like uphendulana kabuhlungu like ovela sokukhipha amabhetri. Yeah. Hayi uhluli guys. Hayi. Who is your favorite sibling and why? Between mina, I'm between Thabiso, mina, Ntonto.
Umntonto. Umntonto.
Why?
Angashiya uyathumela mangimcela ukuthi ayocela ukudla uyathumela.
Shame. See? Yeah. Don't, okay.
What is the funniest thing Hloni has ever said or done? What is the funniest thing Hloni has ever said or done?
Into ehlekisayo. Like most of into zenza ngathi unamalanga wakhe guys like khuluke izinto ehlekisayo. Angasho la. Clueless. Angazi uthini vele. Angasifanele uflu 60. What is the funniest memory you have with me? Ukuthi ikhona ukuthi wena asikhumbuli kho like focus ezintweni zethu yabo personal goal.
Have you ever blamed Hloni for something you did?
Yeah, kaningi feel. Kaningi. Yabona na Saturday mingithi Hloni mom usehlele bathroom. Bathi clean him. I want yangitwa feel Hloni bathroom.
Yo, kahle yazi wena.
Abo ngisho like ngamthuza. Hloni bathi mama uyabuya ehlele bathroom. Yabo like have you ever lied to me? What was the lie? Hloni guys hlit kamba manga kimi. Namanje nje yabo umuntu wathi yahawulisa ucamba manga nje. Hloni.
Vele every time.
Okay, Hlona, have you ever lied to me? What was the lie?
Yes.
What was the lie?
Uthi bangithumile.
Me too. Mingiza.
Like mangibuke uthenga into like bese ngibangithumile Mariam.
Oh, sorry ukwazi ukungicisha. Siyabamba uyazi expose uhloni. Ngiyambamba.
Who is more stubborn between the two of you?
Hloni. Because igazi la. Yo. Hlonga kuphendula utheni? Who is more stubborn between stop it. Who is more stubborn between you two? What?
Yeah.
Now, Hloni. So like, who is stricter between me and mom or Rudy?
Mom.
Mama ne? Hey, well, mama, nama bona myo. Strict shame.
Yo.
Pose a man's. Shesha Hloni. Amelanga lesikhathi eside Hloni. Shesha.
What is one thing you wish Hloni would change?
Attitude. Nokuthi mengikhuluma ngimamele nangihloniphe guys. Ziningi kahle.
Yo.
So like What is one thing you wish I would buy you?
An iPhone.
Eh?
iPhone.
Soon. Soon iPhone. Soon, guys. Soon.
What is your favorite thing about her?
You and ukuthi ngikhathele guys. Ngibhala la homework. Yeah, ngikhathele nje like sihluhle ngikhathele ubuhlungu la ngibhalela. So ngibhalela. Yeah.
Oh, uyangiyuza.
Ngikuyuza. Tini, if you could change one thing about me, what will it be?
Yokuncane.
Yeah, feel on. Parang siya, dude. Naman lang ako, feel. Sana nuguti.
What is something you would never tell Hloni?
Guti. 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 Like so we are going from pendulum. Right? Ask these guys from pendulum. So like see, who get in trouble more between us? No. Yeah, I pay wait like everyone now we introvert. Introvert ring on one knee.
If Hloni needed 1,000, would you give it to her?
Hi. Ngeke. Ulowaita ayenza umuntu ngenza 1,000.
Let's see if we get something.
Ama disco, ama ghost so.
Okay.
You could do it ayithenga wena 1,000. Never.
Let's uthenga powder.
Guy this rand abashap. This rand phumeza intweni. Hawu. Futhi mina hlona 50 rand iningi for wena, Vele. What is the most embarrassing thing I have ever done?
You
know, like that time, like Munkwatisi. Oh, like I'm attitude and I'm like, I know ID. I'm a subscribers are cool. So like I'm frustrated. I was like, sorry. So like, by the way, I'd like to face you.
What is one lesson you would want Hloni to learn from you?
Respect, remain humble, and believe in yourself. Do you think I'm good? Do you think I'm a good big brother? I feel should see that.
Who would survive longer in a zombie? Apocalypse, like a zombie apocalypse.
Nah, explain please. If you could take Hloni anywhere.
If you could take Hloni anywhere in the world, where would you go?
Ice store. Zabalanda ice store. If I give you 1,000 right now, what would you do? What would you spend it on?
Food.
Kawa. Makosi piggy.
Yeah, makosi. Abo pizza.
As in the flu. No. Now. I'm not live.
What do you think Hloni will be like when she's older? What do you think Hloni will be like when she's older?
I say about to grand feel. If like I would go as particular feel. I was going to grand. We cherry grand.
Baqale ngami manje sebazama.
It's about to go down.
Charge manje. Hello. Kahle ukhohlela igazi. Ngishaya. I hope I see praying. Kathi. Mama, Kathi, school uniform yami. Thabiso. Ukhohlela igazi. Amanzi.
Marakhe. Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Ukathi uqalwa ukufela akusimi. Kahle I hope I see praying ngozokushaya. Yo.
Fuck. Don't find him. Look at you. Uzofaka amampela. Oh.
Ay ukhohlela school uniform yami. Yazi kahle shami sometimes. Aman aish. How? Lapha ngithuka nokuthuka nemara khona thathe thuka maye mina ngikho. Marakhe. Yini lento ehlanzayo? Futhi ikhathi ngiyolanda icable. Yazi wena. Enengishilo. Ngibona mawuqala ukukhohla uthalo. Yini lento ehlanziwe? Yini lento ehlanziwe?
Hlala phansi. Angifuna ukareke ngayisuki. Yeah. Hayi kubanina kahlala phansi. So like. Bothuki.
Angithukanga mara ukhawulele.
Uyafa. Awusho ukuthi futhi wami maybe iputo wami yena. Akana.
Uyafa phela. Ngiyasho ukuthi hawa. Baqedile ngaye lo. Ngithi mina ile chufu. Ngiyasho ukuthi ile chufu ngiyathaya sokumela.
Health food coloring.
Yazi wena.
So like guys, simtholile or comment down guys, comment down below if you like we got her or what or prank gone wrong. So like
Uyahleka.
that's what black. I guess asuke like akithi duri. But like guys, I bet guys. Sweet. I bet guys, this is the end of the video guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and
subscribe.
Road to 600 subs guys. So like guys, don't forget guys, let's get this video 200 likes. Not more than 200. Yeah, more than 200 likes actually guys. Like comment down below if you seem to lead guys. Bam!
Usually true fella ba mi jama pena ada this world there again. Beg the day si jo o sa tile kavela. Mini men ba pala go